I don't know how exposed you are sa mga online businesses, yung mga guru na nakikita ninyo sa Facebook. I have no idea. But do not assume that because you see them all the time, that the population of the Philippines are fully aware of what we do. No. Every week, I reach millions of people, millions on Facebook through my Facebook ads. And you probably saw some of my videos. And I gotta tell you, with all the comments and messages, like hundreds of emails, comments sa Facebook, nagme-message sa amin sa Facebook, yung DM or your private message, hundreds of them, every day. And napakaraming tao ang nagtatanong, what is an ebook? How do you sell online? So do not assume. So what I'm trying to say is make a commitment, bet on your big and brighter future. Commit on your big and brighter future through this business. Because this business, the system that I've been teaching has been proven many, many times. And siguro, I don't know, maybe I should do some math or calculation, but maybe just from my student, they have produced maybe, okay, I will be guessing here, between 25 to 50 million. I have to make a research. I have to reach out to these people, but that is just my estimate. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.